Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Hebbia AI. If you are a lawyer into finance or maybe a researcher and you think that it takes a lot of time in analyzing and reading files and you want some AI solution for it. So this platform is specifically built for this and I'll show you how easily you can use it in this video. To access this platform, you first have to simply search for Hebbia AI or you can also search for hebbia.com and you will be onto its website. This platform has so many different solutions and features that are all related to finance through which you can manage your work and you can get maximum benefits. If you provide your data to this platform, it will actually analyze it and just simplify the data for you. As it says, it is built for serious work. So Hebbia can handle complex tasks like summarizing, comparing, and extracting info from documents. It's like having an AI assistant for legal, finance, and research work. And it is also has this data form where you can upload the PDFs, spreadsheets, slide decks, and more. So it works across all formats to find and organize the info you need. It also offers total transparency. Every answer includes links to its source so you can see exactly where the AI pulled the info from. This builds trust and lets you verify results. Also, it offers enterprise security so your data is secure. It uses the encryptions, your data stays private and isn't used to train public AI models. So this is all what it claims on its website. So if you want to use it, you just have to simply get access to it through your enterprise account. So for that, just simply click onto this option and you will be there. Now to book a demo, you have to simply provide your enterprise username or your email address that you use for your company. Other than that, you also have to identify which industry you work in. There's you can see there's a number of industries available. You can select from it, or you can also use the other if you don't find your industry type there. Then you have to just simply add your firm size, like how many employees and what exactly are you hoping to get out of ABIA. Are you a lawyer? Are you into finance? A researcher? What is your desired thing that you would like to have from this platform? You can mention it up there and also mention how did you hear about it so you can add it, and after that book a demo. Then you will get the demo through the email address, like whatever you have added you will get the email there. From there you can access it. But if you already have it, and you just have to simply click on sign in, and once you do so it will just take a while. Then you have to simply log in with your account, and after that you will get to its homepage. As you can see, its interface is very much similar to ChatGPT because it's also uses the engine of ChatGPT, which is a 4.1 version up there. So what you can do is that you can just simply chat with it. You can do also research and metrics where you can add your data and it will provide answers based onto it. So you just have to simply ask anything, attach any sort of file like images, PDFs, spreadsheets, or any sort of other data. You can also search it on the web, whatever the results you get from there, you can ask up there. You can also ask for the public company data and also public charts. Whatever you ask it, it will get saved there, and you can actually create multiple charts for different searches or different topics. But to use it you have to simply get its demo, or you have to just simply get its subscription. Otherwise you will get back to this page. You cannot use it until you have unlocked it. Unlocking means you have a demo or you have its subscription. So that's how it works. Without a subscription or a demo you cannot actually use it, and you can only get its demo if you're using your enterprise account. Without it you cannot access it. So that's the downside of it, that you cannot use it for free or you cannot try it or have a trial it for free. So you have to either purchase it or get it through your enterprise account. So if you think that this platform could do the work that you're looking for, or it can be beneficial in your work, then just simply book its demo, or you can also get its subscriptions once you contact to their team. So that's how this platform works. If you work with complex documents, whether in finance, law, consulting, Hebbia can save you hours or even days of manual analysis. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.